Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are with another episode of Selenium interview questions and answers for freshers and experienced. So let's get started. The first question is, what are the different ways of locating a web element in the Selenium? So we have different locators to locate a web element, so which is ID, class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, XPath, CSS selector and DOM. So these are the major locators that we use to perform locating web element. We'll move on to the next question. So what is the difference between single forward slash and double forward slash in the XPath? So single forward slash refers to absolute path, double forward slashes refers to relative XPath. So single forward, absolute path which comes from the starting of the HTML node, whereas double forward slash, which is a relative path where we can create XPath in between of the HTML DOM. So no need to bother about coming from the starting of the node, which is a very good one to use in the web automation. But the most important is the major difference is the time frame. Whereas absolute path is very much faster than the relative XPath. So relative XPath start in between of the HTML DOM, whereas absolute start from the very starting of the HTML node. So it is very easy for absolute XPath, and for relative XPath it is little time taking process. But when it comes to the reliability, the relative XPath works efficiently when compared to absolute XPath, where absolute XPath is with whenever we have any the tag which changes in the HTML DOM structure, then absolute XPath will not works, whereas relative XPath works even though if there is any in between tag changes. So let's move on to the next question. So what is an assertion in the Selenium and what are the types of assertions? So answer is, the assertion is used to verify, or we can say it's a verification point, and it verifies that statement of the application is correct or not. And we have different types of assertions like assert, verify and wait for. So these are the assertion methods that are available in the Selenium, and these are very much important to verify actual and expected. When it comes to the verifying actual to the expected, then these will be very helpful in the automation. I'll move on to the next question. The question is, what is the difference between the assert and the verify command? So it is like a continuation of the third question, but this is a very important question which will be asked in all interviews. So assert and verify, we need to know the difference between these two. So assert command used to check whether the given condition is true or false, whereas verify is used for the same purpose. The major difference is assert, when the command is true, then control goes to the execution of next step. But when it comes to the false, the assert will stop there and which will stop executing the next steps. Whereas verify, even though if it is a false or true, our execution will not stop. So this is the difference between verify and assert. So let's move on to the next question. So which of the WebDriver API is the fastest and why? So we have different web drivers like Chrome WebDriver, Chrome driver, Firefox driver, IE driver. Similarly, we have HTML unit driver, which is the fastest than among all the other drivers. The reason is the HTML unit driver doesn't execute in the browsers. So it's like a HTTP request for request and response. So the mechanism of the test case execution will be faster when compared to the other drivers where it doesn't require browser to launch. I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share your questions, queries in my comment section. Thank you for watching.